Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create YouTube video script using AI, and also you can make money on Amazon using this AI video. I will show you step-by-step tutorials, how you can find the video niche or video keyword, how you can write the video script using AI, and how you can create the AI video. So no more delay, so let's get started. So if you are a student, if you are a job holder, if you are a housewife, and if you want to make money online from home, so this video for you. If you are new in this channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Step number 1, we'll find our niche or product using Google Trends, and step number 2, we'll generate YouTube video script using ChatGPT, and step number 3, we'll create AI video using InVideo with our script, and the step number 4, we'll find the best product on Amazon and we will copy the link and add into our YouTube video. That's it. Alright guys, so first of all, go to trends.google.com. This is the analytics, and you will see different kind of interest over the time, and also the sub-region and different kind of queries those are really trending right now and the previous years. Here you can see I just searched microphone. That's mean I am interested in tech gadget and tech related products. I just searched here microphone, and you have to select the countries over there. Also you can select worldwide and your country. So I just select United States. Also you have to select the time framework. That's mean past 12 months, past hour, past 4 hours. So make sure if you want to promote or create a script or video for affiliate marketing or making money, so definitely you have to find the right product. That's mean the trending product that people are also searching last couple of years. Okay, so that's gonna help you really great. And the best practice is always you can select at least 12 months, also 5 years, and also you can select the categories, but I am not selecting any categories. And also you can search like web search, image search, news search, Google shipping, and YouTube search. Okay, web search. So as we create videos, that's mean YouTube videos, so make sure YouTube search, and you will see the interest over the time. And guys, it's really important, and if you see the line graph, it's really important. So here you can see the 25. This is the minimum rate. So if you see anything, like if you search anything, any product in your interested niche, and if you see the below 25, the line is below 25, so I recommend to not to promote this kind of product, because people are not interested or searching over the decades or times. Okay, so that's why always to collect those kind of products, those are really above 25. And it's really amazing because it's in general 50 to 75, between 50 to 75 line, so it's perfect. And let's scroll down, you will see the sub region. So you will see different kind of estates, and you will see the search ratio. Also you can see the search ratio here. Also you will find the related queries. That's mean the people are searching this kind of queries. It's really amazing. So you can grab this kind of keyword. Okay, so our product is finally selected. So our first step is done, and the second step is we have to write a video script, and we will use ChatGPT. Alright, so I just wrote it here. I want to create a YouTube video on the best microphone for YouTubers. I need a good video script. Video topic is the best microphone for YouTubers. Do not write yet. Do you understand? So let's send it. And the ChatGPT replied, yes, I understand. You want a video script for a YouTube video about the best microphone for YouTubers. I will prepare a comprehensive script covering key points such as type of microphones, top recommendations, features to look for, and usage tips. It's really amazing, guys. I will make sure to structure it for a typical YouTube format with an engaging introduction, informative body, and clear conclusion. And I just wrote it here. And the second promise, you will add a great hook first and call to action at the end to grab the targeted audiences. Do not write yet. Do you understand? Let's send it. Make sure the ChatGPT is clearly understand. Okay, everything will be written in English. Let me know when you're ready for the script. Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. You can write now. Please enter. Alright guys, so our script is ready. Alright guys, so our second step is done. We have just written AI script using ChatGPT, and this is the full script. Okay, So let's select the wall and let's copy. We have to create AI videos and we'll be using invideo.ai. So this is the prompt section, you have to write it over there, but we have already script, that's why. So click on explore wall and you will see script to video. So let's select the script to video. Alright, so this section for script to video, okay? And make sure your video is we are creating YouTube video. Also you can create TikTok and Instagram video. So as we are creating YouTube video, so create a YouTube video with using exactly this script. That's mean we have already a script, so paste it here. Alright, so this is our AI generated script. So InVideo help us to create exactly the same, help us to create a video exactly the same script. Alright, so scroll down, we have some settings over there, and the first section is voiceover. So if you want male voiceover, so you can select male or female, and you will see the American, clear American voice and the narrator, okay? And also you will add some subtitles over there. So scroll down and you will see some styles over there. Click on word by word, I stock as needed. That's mean different kind of footage over there, okay? And also use YouTube audio library only. So if you worry about copyright strike, so make sure YouTube audio library is available over there. So everything is done, so let's click on continue and click on generate a video. So analyzing done and still thinking in video. So let's see how they create our video. Alright, so here we go, some settings in video settings, like you have to select audience. So you can select the audience targeted and look and feel. Also you can select clean and bright, okay? So click on bright, and platform definitely YouTube. So click on continue. Alright guys, so our video is ready. 2 minutes 33 seconds, okay? So let's play the video.
Hey YouTube, ever wonder what separates a good video from a great one? It's not just about the visuals. Audio quality can make or break your content. If you're serious about upping your YouTube game.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is really amazing guys. So if you want to create, so you can follow the steps and you can create. So our step is done, so let's download this video. Alright guys, so if you want to download no watermark, definitely you have to purchase the premium package. So as we are trying to download, so you have to select the normal and stock watermarks, and you can download resolution, okay? So click on continue. So this is the final steps. Our video is rendering. So when it done 100%, it will download it automatically. So this is our third step, almost done. Alright guys, so our video is downloading 274 megabyte, okay? We have to find the product. Alright, so let's search our microphone, and the first results, those are wireless microphone. So if you want to promote this, no problem, you can select. You will find Fifin, Boya, Sony, different kind of brand, okay? Alright, so let's say you choose this product like wireless lavalier lapel microphone. So click this product. So how you can promote this? So if you are really new here, so you have to learn about Amazon affiliate, how it works, okay? So you have to create an account like Amazon affiliate. So if you're a beginner, you can read this article, Amazon affiliate program YouTube, so how it's work, and you will find some tips and tricks. So I will paste the link, so check the description below and you will find some ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any queries, please comment below. And if you want to get more details video like how you can create Amazon affiliate program and how you can find the link and how you can add into the YouTube, so please write it down. So I will try my best to give you support, okay? So no more today. If you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.